God, dude. But you know what's funny about that? I don't know what is in that, but that's not like a food. It's like a piece of, maybe there's like food in it or something, but like, it's definitely not edible. Like, look, Karen's being mean again. Woo, Crow's not gonna take that shit.
Oh, look at the big buck.
Oh, the big guy came. Now Karen's scared now. Karen's scared now. Look at that. Oh, now I'm the tough guy, huh? Oh, Karen's not afraid of me, huh? Dude, I can't figure out what the hell they're eating though. It's like a piece of plastic. Maybe it had like ice cream in it or something. Dude, just like people, man, a bunch of assholes. Backstabbers. Dude, I don't know what the hell they're eating. It's so weird. What the hell is that? Look, Crow's not afraid of nobody. They're like, this guy's like assessing the risk. Like, I kind of want to. Okay. He had his fill. Now this guy's going to come take over. But I want to see what this is. Edwards. Oh, it's like a